In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sprints in Notion. Let's jump straight into it. Start by looking over at the left sidebar of your Notion workspace. From the list of pages there, click on the task database where you want to create your sprints. This will open up the database so we can begin configuring it. Once the database is open, move your eyes to the top right corner of the task database. You'll see the database settings menu icon there. Go ahead and click on it to open the settings panel. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on More Settings to access the deeper configuration options for your database. Inside the database settings list, you'll see a category labeled Sprints. Click on Sprints to open the sprint configuration screen. Now click the button that says Turn on Sprints. This will activate the sprint feature for your task database and add the sprint-related views automatically. After sprints are enabled, look at the View tabs along the top of the board. Click on the tab labeled Sprint Planning to switch into the Planning view. In this view, you'll find a section called Backlog. This is where all the tasks that have not yet been assigned to any sprint are listed. Take a moment to locate the Backlog section on your screen. Next, we'll add a backlog task to Sprint 1. Inside the Backlog section, find the specific task you want to move into the first sprint. Once you've found that task, click on the task's Sprint property cell. This is the field that controls which sprint the task belongs to. A drop-down list of available sprints will appear. From this sprint list, select Sprint 1. The task will now be assigned to your first sprint. With that done, head back up to the View tabs at the top of the board. This time, click on the tab labeled Current Sprint to switch into the Active Sprint view. Finally, take a quick look at the current sprint board. Confirm that the Launch Notes task you just assigned now appears here on the current sprint board. If you can see it listed, that means your sprint setup is working correctly and the task has been moved over successfully. And now you know how to create sprints in Notion. Follow these same steps anytime you want to organize your tasks into sprints and keep your workflow on track.